Hello, this is Doug Fabian. Welcome to my weekly ETF report. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, 2014. Three things to talk about as always. Let's begin with the holidays. Next week is Thanksgiving week. Of course, that leads right into the December holidays and year end. This time of year, investing starts to get pushed aside. But I want you to start thinking about your New Year's resolutions. And one of the resolutions I would recommend you consider is that you would commit a bigger portion of your portfolio to exchange-traded funds. Now, I'm here standing in front of the banner at the new ETFU.com, the University for ETF Investors. We're continuing to build out this website. We have a weekly podcast, completely educational on exchange-traded funds. I'm doing an education series of videos. Now at our website, we have a place to submit ETF questions if you have a question about exchange-traded funds. So get involved. Start doing more with ETFs. If you have some time over the holidays, visit ETFU.com and sign up for that weekly podcast. Second item on my agenda today, I'm starting to work on my January investment issue where I talk about investing strategies for next year. Of course, my entire newsletter, Successful ETF Investing, is dedicated to the world of exchange-traded funds. Here are some of the ideas I'm talking about. On last week's video, I closed with a discussion of China. And there are some recent reforms that have happened in China that are going to make it a better place to invest. From a valuation standpoint, China is one of the cheapest stock markets in the world. So I really recommend that you start looking at China as one of the big investing ideas for 2015. Next, I'm looking at energy. We all know that oil prices have fallen significantly of late, but I don't expect oil to stay down too long, especially if the Chinese economy starts to get going again and the U.S. economy is doing well. So don't expect these low oil prices to last forever, and they have caused some energy stocks to decline from 20 to 30%. I'm going to be writing about that in the January issue of Successful Investing. And then from a tax perspective, I'm doing a lot of research right now on Roth IRAs and converting your regular IRA to a Roth IRA and how you go about doing that. But I got to tell you, Roth IRAs give you some tremendous advantages once you reach retirement. So that's something else I'm going to be working on here in the weeks ahead, and I'm very excited about the January issue that I'm going to be writing in early December for my subscribers to Successful Investing. Lastly, I did a video last week at ETFU.com entitled Finding the Money, and I believe that the most overlooked pool of investment assets that you have is a 401k at an old employer. People just have a tendency to leave that money. They really don't know what to do. They're afraid to kind of take that money with them. Now, you can easily roll over your 401k if you're no longer working at that company into an IRA, and this is a great place to start investing with exchange-traded funds. So I hope you'll take these ideas to heart that I shared with you today. Again, get out to ETFU.com, ask me a question about exchange-traded funds, visit the website, and if you would like help with your ETF investing endeavors, check out this special offer from my publisher. This is Doug Fabian. Until next week, thanks for tuning in.